Since the coronavirus pandemic began, people across the world have been reliant on technology to carry out everyday tasks. Teaching is one of the field's hardest hit. Today, Basic Education Minister Angie launched the Teacher Connect app. It allows pupils to access content via WhatsApp while also keeping an eye on teachers' health. Tshegohaco Moagi joins me now for more on this. Tshegohaco, what does this platform entail? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Clement. So this particular platform is really for a way for the Department of Basic Education to ensure that there is fewer queues at school specifically. So you are able to actually, when they check your temperature, you just put it into this particular platform and then you can carry on with your school day, and it lasts for about 24 hours. So you can be done at any point. The checking of the temperature can be done at any point and then obviously put into this particular platform. And it also allows for there to be educational content, as you've mentioned, for learners. And it gives teachers and it gives even guardians really the chance just to see what their temperature looks like and if they could potentially be at higher risk for COVID-19. But let's just take a listen to what the Department of Basic Education's DDG had to say.
The self-screening health check itself is basically assisting us to identify learners, teachers, non-educators that potentially have been exposed to COVID. And it's a quick, very, very simple process to follow. And that is then integrated into the data for the Department of Health. All right? So the tool itself, the digital risk tool, helps us to map where there's a presence of the virus for early detection and mainly for the management of how we utilize our resources in responding to the virus. So the educational facility then, and with learners, educators and non-educators performing these tests, we can then ensure that we have the safe reopening of all our institutions.
Tshegohaco, you also spoke to the minister about other issues. What did she have to say?
Yes, Clement. So we spoke to her about issues such as the possible dropout rate. We do know that some learners did not return back to school, and there are concerns that have been raised by the department that some learners could actually have dropped out. And she said that she's not quite sure yet, waiting until the end of the month before they can actually give out that figure. They just want to see how many learners actually return back to the classroom. She also spoke about incidents of how many teachers have actually died from COVID-19. They are reaching close to 800 teachers that have died due to COVID-19, so about 780 plus teachers that have died. And then she also mentioned the issue of the matriculants. She did say that she is really looking forward to the work that they are going to produce, so the results that they'll actually have from their matric exams. Of course, they start writing in November, and she does say that she is looking forward to the particular results, mainly because, Clement, we do know that they are working under very difficult circumstances, very challenging and different circumstances, but she says that she remains optimistic.
All right. Tshegohaco Moagi, thank you so much for your time this afternoon.